It is a solemn march devoid of solidarity songs as families of the ABUJA Kaduna train attack proceed to the headquarters of the Ministry of Transportation in Abuja. At the ministry, the protesters peacefully occupy the only entrance leading to the complex, leading to the obstruction of human and vehicular movement. One after the other, the spokesperson of the families and other affected victims narrate their experience.
The thing is that as we speak, they have been flogged, they have been macheted, they have been given all sorts of punishment as we speak, and they have threatened to eliminate them.
Our people are in the bush. They've been there for over 3 months, almost 4 months. They are being flogged like cattle. So we don't care, the rain, whatever, let it come down on us. This is painful. My father served this country for over 30 years, meritoriously.
I am a sister to one of the kidnapped victims. My sister traveled from Abuja to Kaduna on that fateful day, on that train which was attacked, and she was abducted with her. By that time, her baby was 1 year, 8 months. In that bush, that baby has spent 2 years. In that bush, my sister and that little baby are in that bush, sleeping in that bush. We don't know what they have been fed with. We don't know the kind of water they are drinking. We don't know whether the clothes they went in have been changed. And that is no, of course, because we can still see them in the same clothing that they traveled with.
Everybody help me talk to government. Everybody help me talk to government. Everybody help us. Help us. Help us.
Attempt by an official of the ministry to pacify the protesters is resisted as they vow to continue their occupation of the ministry. With the continued blockade of the ministry, the Director, Rail Services, addresses the protesters, assuring them that the government is not unmindful of their predicament.
The welfare of everybody is the duty of the government. So government is taking responsibility. For us, we may be seeing it as if nothing is being done. But I can assure you that a lot is being done behind. But there are things you do that will spoil everything. So what government is doing is trying to beat their time. But these people, they have their eyes. Unfortunately, in Nigeria, some of our people don't know. When they write some things on social media or when they say some things, they end up helping these people.
They remain adamant, insisting that they will not leave the ministry until the government gives them concrete assurance that their loves will be released soon.
He leaves this for me. He leaves this for me. Everybody help me talk to government. They are still